appreciative sense of wonder never fail to bring joy and inspiration to the adults around you. In school, your childhood is enriched by your friends and caring teachers, as well as the exciting and enjoyable school activities you have together. Let's pause for a while to be thankful to those who have made it possible for you to enjoy your childhood. Be grateful to your parents, family members, teachers and friends. This year I urge you to also remember the more elderly members of your family, such as your grandparents and older relatives. Listen to their life stories and reflect on how they have shaped your family history. Fun and laughter form a precious part of your childhood. Next year, Singapore will be 50 years old, and all Singaporeans will come together to celebrate as one big family in a very memorable way. There will be many exciting events such as trails and performances to look forward to and to appreciate.